If you are interested in learning how to create a beautiful piece of art like this one, keep watching to find out because it is way easier than you might think. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, my name is Maria and I'm a full-time graphic designer, but I love to hop onto YouTube every week and bring you some inspiration to be creative in your life. I do fashion lookbooks, unboxings, recipes, and home decor. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you'll know when I post new videos. Today I have a piece of art that will dress up any room in your home. The best part is that you can make it completely customizable to fit your home decor and your style and your colors. I've been wanting to try this acrylic pour method for a really long time, and I've been inspired by my friend Stephanie over on Deliberately Creative. So when I joined in on the You Inspire Me collab with the Glamorous penny pincher and Chelles Glam home, this was the perfect opportunity for me to go ahead and try to create something that Stephanie had inspired me with. So there's going to be a whole bunch of other YouTubers participating in this collab, and I'll make sure to link that down there in the description box for you. I will also link that video that Deliberately Creative made so you can see the inspiration piece that I had for this painting. So here is the painting that Stephanie created. Mine turned out a little different, of course, and this is my first time doing one of these, so I was learning just how much paint to use for this size of canvas. Some other YouTubers that I have seen do this acrylic pour technique, or sometimes I've seen it called dirty pour, are the Frugal Bear and Dirty Artist. I'll just link their channels below because I love their videos too. Let's start with everything that you'll need to make your own version of this acrylic pour painting. You will need a canvas. This one is 18 by 24 inches. I used this entire bottle of Liquitex, which was 8 fluid ounces. I wasn't sure how much paint I was going to need, so I ended up buying more than necessary, but what I ended up using was 3 ounces of blue, 3 ounces of green, 1 ounce of black, and 4 ounces of white. I found some of these paints at Dollar Tree and the others were at Michael's. The ones at Michael's were a little more expensive. They're probably like $1.60 something, but they're the exact same thing. So if you could find all the colors you need at Dollar Tree, that's the way to go. You will also need some plastic cups, a box to set the canvas on, rubber gloves, and wooden sticks, and then a tarp of some sort to protect the table that you're working on. I made this little tarp out of garbage bags and it worked pretty well. This actually ended up being less messy than I thought it was going to be. The mess and finding a good spot in the house to do this is probably the main reason I never went ahead and did this project, but I was determined to make it work this time so I could share this video with you guys. I like to throw in a little extra artsiness whenever I do creative videos like this one, so I'm going to kick this project off with some music for you, and something about this song just makes me think of an artist having a creative moment. So let's get right into this tutorial so you can see how this is done. could have used a little extra paint because there were a few raw edges of the canvas showing. I didn't mind some of them, but I did use a wooden stick to cover up a few spots. Overall, I really enjoyed this project, and I'm definitely going to do a few more paintings like this. I want to try to make one that looks like a natural gray and white geode, so make sure to subscribe so you can see that project in the future. Thank you again, Stephanie, for inspiring me to make this video, and thanks to the hosts of You Inspire Me for this collab. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to build a positive community here on Artsy Cupcake who shares with each other, so I would love to get to know you in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy